marathon runner running in place. Carved through the hills like a river to nowhere. A little less thinking, a little more space. I'm doing my best, looking for rest, for a marathon mind. Heavy's the head that lives in the clouds. Searching for problems to answers I've found. It ain't good for nothing, it just adds to the noise.